Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to delete Google Photos from your Android device. So basically we cannot delete it, but we can delete updates. And how we can do it? We have a few options. The first one is to go to the Play Store, then click at the search, tap at the search line and write Google Photos. Then search, locate the application, and right here click uninstall, and right here again click on it. Or we need to hide it, and you can locate your application, press and hold on it, and then go to app information. Then you need to find storage and clear storage and delete. Also, you can force stop this application and disable it if you need it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.